Welcome back to the morning show. It is coming up on 6:50. It's Wednesday. That means time for a little science. And joining us this morning is Jesse Miller, a teaching lab specialist with the University of Illinois. Now, a lot of folks over Thanksgiving probably ate a little too much, and this milk of magnesia probably came in a little bit handy for a few people.
That's right. I know it did for me. That's why it gave me the idea to do this for this spot.
Show us how it works.
Well, okay, so this is our stomach, so to speak.
Good.
And I'm going to put a little universal indicator in it. This is just, this shows the different acidity levels. It changes color depending upon what the acid level. Chemistry is an exact science here.
Sure.
All right. So anyway, red is kind of acidic, or would be acidic, and then violet would be real basic. And as you can see, the tap water here is pretty basic. They do that to prevent corrosion of the pipes. We're going to add a little milk of magnesia. Actually, I think we'll add a little acid first just to show you what your stomach's going to look like.
Pull it on down there in the bottom.
Oh, it's a stir bar. We just got it so it's stirring up so that, you know.
I was wondering what was in my stomach that I ate, and I couldn't figure that out.
We don't all have stir bars.
Yeah.
All right, so we add a little acid. As you can see, it turned pretty quickly to a pink color here.
Right. So
this would be your stomach with your acid, and we're going to add a little, you ate too much, your stomach's producing some acid. We're going to add a little milk of magnesia here. Okay. And all these antacids work about the same. They either use, milk of magnesia uses magnesium hydroxide, some of them use calcium hydroxide, aluminum hydroxide, or a combination between two. And as you can see, it's starting to change color back to a basic solution. And it's kind of milky or cloudy, and that's because this is a suspension. So there's solids in here. Magnesium hydroxide, aluminum hydroxide, things like that are all what we call strong bases, but they dissolve slowly. So the idea is to buffer this or prevent resist the change as your stomach produces more acid. So we got it back to violet here, so we're nice and basic, but you ate some more.
Sure. Well, it's Thanksgiving time, right?
That's right. You're going to just keep on eating until you're in a coma.
Buffet table all day long.
That's right. So your stomach starts producing more acid, and as you can see, we're going to go back to red color here, and if the milk magnesia is doing its job, shortly,
should just take it right out.
We should go back to a purple color here, as long as I didn't add too much acid. By the way, this is the type of acid you have in your stomach.
Really?
It's hydrochloric acid.
Okay.
It's not quite this concentrated, but it gets close. And I perhaps didn't use the proper dosage of milk and magnesia because
or else we just ate too much.
He ate too much.
Yeah. So anyway,
no, we're heading back. We're heading back.
Well, we know by taking it and eating, it's not instantaneous. You know. It
no, exactly.
Minutes, so.
And it coats your stomach. And we'll just add some more because, you know.
That's usually how I do it anyway. Just keep drinking until you feel better.
And then we'll do it again. There we go.
Very cool. So you get the inside look at how your innards work.
That's right. And, you know, the kids, if they want to try this at home, you're not going to get 3 molar hydrochloric acid, but you can use acetic acid.
Okay.
And as far as a universal indicator goes, you can make this out of red cabbage.
Really?
Yeah, you just take some red cabbage and you boil it with a minimum amount of water. You know, you might want to have mom and dad, whoever's the cook is,
help you out there.
And then take the juice, and it acts as a natural indicator that goes through all these different colors. And then you get your milk of magnesia, and you can stir it up.
Very good. Well, we have another segment coming up in 30 minutes. You're going to make fiery snowballs. Is that what I hear?
That's right. That's right. Flaming snowballs.
Flaming snowballs. And we'll talk about a program that y'all have coming up as well.
That's right. That's right. We have a holiday demonstration show.
We'll tell you all about that, plus make fiery snowballs. And I think the Madrigals here are excited about that. All right. See, you heard one. All right. If you want to see a replay of this segment, just go to IllinoisHomepage.net. Look on the morning show. Look under As Seen on 3. We need to check in with Jennifer Ketchmark.